Now once again, welcome student, CBSE class 10th, the same chapter, chapter 6, life processes. In previous video, we are going to study about the type of nutrition. There are two types of nutrition are there. One is called the autotrophic nutrition and one is called the heterotrophic nutrition. Now what is going on in today's video? We are going to study about the nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants. In this heading, we have to study about the process called photosynthesis, equational expression of photosynthesis, then mechanism of photosynthesis, then site of photosynthesis. Okay, then move on. We have to study about all these four topics. Now before moving the topic, we must have to revise the nutrition in plants. We know that what is nutrition is? Nutrition is the process of intake of food. Apna food lena. And we know very well, plants are called autotrophs. Why plants are called autotrophs? Because the mode of nutrition present in plant is called autotrophic nutrition. So plants are called autotrophs. We know very well, plants are green in color. Green is a special feature present in the plant. Green plant. Green, the leafy part of the plant is green. Only green plants are capable to prepare their food. And the process of preparation of food is actually called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Okay. मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा था कि अगर आप टर्म्स को समझोगे तो शायद आप डेफिनेशन खुद मेक कर सकते हो. कैसे? Here the photosynthesis, it is composed of two words. One is called photo, that is light, and second is called synthesis, that is to prepare. ठीक है? Preparation, किस चीज का preparation? Preparation of food, किसके साथ? Light के साथ. So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of preparation of food by the plants in the presence of light. So that's the simple definition of photosynthesis. But for writing, we have to make a proper definition for the photosynthesis. So how can we define the term photosynthesis? What is photosynthesis? It is the process by which green plants prepare their own food. ना खुद का खाना बनाना. Prepare their own food with the help of simple inorganic substance or substances such as carbon dioxide and water, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. That is a simple definition for the photosynthesis. एक ऐसा process which is completed in the presence of simple inorganic substance. And what is that organic substance? This is carbon dioxide and water. And what is the essential condition? Is the presence of chlorophyll and in the presence of sunlight. So this is the process called photosynthesis. A simple process that is performed with the help of the light in the presence of the chlorophyll. And only two raw materials are needed. That is two inorganic substances that is needed for the process, and that is called the carbon dioxide and the water. Let's study about this raw materials. From where the plant get this raw material. प्लांट को ये सब रॉ मटेरियल्स कहाँ से मिलता है? इट इज द रॉ मटेरियल्स फॉर फोटोसिंथेसिस. Now raw materials for photosynthesis. Raw materials for photosynthesis. The two basic substances that we call the inorganic substance, that is first carbon dioxide. The first raw material for the photosynthesis is the carbon dioxide. And from where the plant get this carbon dioxide? Plant get this carbon dioxide from atmosphere. Atmosphere. कहाँ से मिलता है? एटमॉस्फेयर से. एटमॉस्फेयर में abundant कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रेजेंट है, and that is utilized by plants for the process of photosynthesis. How this carbon dioxide reaches to plants? It is reached through stomata. Through stomata. How the stomata work, what is going on, that we have studied in another section. Okay. So carbon dioxide is the first raw material that is required for photosynthesis. The source of the carbon dioxide is atmosphere, and the plant part which provide this carbon dioxide to leaves is called the stomata. Okay. The second raw material. Second raw material is called the water. We have to give water the plant. That's watering of plant. हम पानी देते हैं, कहाँ देते हैं? रूट्स में देते हैं. ठीक है, हम सॉइल में पानी देते हैं. So from where the plant get water? Plant get water from roots. From roots. हम 9th class में पढ़ चुके हैं about the vascular tissue. What is vascular tissue? It is a combination of xylem and the phloem. ठीक है, xylem और phloem से मिलके बनता है vascular tissue, और दोनों का function अलग अलग है. What is the role of xylem? Xylem transported water from root to leaves. So this water is provided by xylem. Through xylem. Xylem reach up to the site of the photosynthesis to give the water. Clear है? अब यहाँ से third चीज हम और देख लेते हैं. That is the light. Light in the form of the sun. Sun is the abundant source of light energy. So we are consider here sunlight. And what is the source of sunlight or simple light? The sun is the source for that. Okay, हम इसको डिस्कस करेंगे how this light is utilized by the plant. And fourth is the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is actually the green pigment. Green pigment that is identifying character of the plant. Plants we call the green plant, or this green color, and only green plant is the capability to prepare the fruit. So chlorophyll is the green plant, and it is inbuilt material that is already present in the plant, or the already present in the site of photosynthesis. But how this process is going on? Before moving that, let's know how we can explain the process of photosynthesis with the help of simple equation. We have the equational expression for the photosynthesis. So how can we explain the photosynthesis with the help of simple equation? This is called equational expression. We know that very well, that there are two raw materials, that is inorganic substance, carbon dioxide, water, and the process is completed in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. We have to make our equation informative. Then how can we write it? We get carbon dioxide here. Carbon dioxide combines with water. 6 part of actually carbon dioxide combines with 6 part of the water, and this combination is going on in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. It means in the absence of these two substances, this process is not performed. In the presence of chlorophyll and the sunlight, it gets converted into C6H12O6, and in this process we also get the 6th molecule of the oxygen also. Now what is going on here? See, it is the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide combines with 6 part of the water. 6 part of the carbon dioxide combines with 6 part of the water to form glucose. And in this process, oxygen is also evolved. We also get the 6th molecule of the oxygen. Glucose जब plant में बहुत देर तक stored रहते हैं, तो they get converted into starch. Glucose is simplest sugar, simplest carbohydrate. लेकिन plant में जो stored होते हैं, they get converted into starch. This is the equational expression for the photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? It is the process by which green plant prepare their food with the help of simple raw material in the presence of these two substances. That is called the photosynthesis. Now look after the mechanism of photosynthesis. Mechanism of photosynthesis. How this process is going on in plant. That is called the mechanism of photosynthesis. Now before moving this mechanism, let's simply understand how this process is going on. This is a leaf. We know that leaves are green in color. So this is a green leaf. What is this? This is a green leaf. Okay. Actually, this is the place where photosynthesis is performed by the plant. So what is the site for the photosynthesis? That is only the leaf. Okay. Sun is present anywhere here in atmosphere. This sunlight is directly trapped on the leaf. Leaf is green color. This green color absorb the sunlight in the leaf. Green color means chlorophyll. क्लोरोफिल का काम क्या है? इस लाइट को एब्जॉर्व करना. तो क्लोरोफिल इस लाइट को एब्जॉर्व करता है. फ्रॉम अ सोर्स कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गेट इनसाइड दिस. एक सोर्स से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इसके अंदर पहुंचता है, एक सोर्स से वाटर भी इसके अंदर पहुंचता है. ठीक है, ये आपस में प्रोसेस करते हैं और प्रोसेस करने के बाद यहाँ से कुछ सब्सटेंस को रिलीज कर, नॉट फ्रॉम यहाँ कुछ सब्सटेंस का फॉर्मेशन होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड द स्टार्च. Or in simplest form, this is called the glucose. And this is the process of the photosynthesis. What is this? This is the sun. Actually, this is the light energy. This is the light energy. And what we get here, this is the compound, chemical. It is the chemical. So it is called the chemical energy. So what is actually the process of photosynthesis? The process of photosynthesis is the process of conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Okay, ये process क्या है? That is the conversion of light energy into chemical energy. This is actually the process of photosynthesis. So let's move towards the mechanism of photosynthesis. Actually leaf के अंदर ये किस तरीके से perform करते हैं? Leaf is the place where the photosynthesis is going on. हम इसका structure थोड़ी देर बाद देखते हैं. Before that, we have to complete the mechanism of photosynthesis. Mechanism of photosynthesis. The mechanism of photosynthesis includes 3 steps. The process is completed in the presence of completed in 3 steps. कितने steps में होता है? 3 steps. And what are these steps are? First is called the absorption of light energy. Light energy. सबसे पहला काम क्या है? लाइट एनर्जी को ऑब्जर्व करना. ठीक है, लाइट कहाँ है? सन के फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट है. सनलाइट इज देयर, abundant of sunlight is there, and that is absorption is going on in the leaf. and which component of the leaf perform this function? That is called the chlorophyll. This function is performed by the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll absorb the light energy from the nature. What is going on here? Chlorophyll absorbs light energy. This is the first step. Now what happened in the second step? Second step is the splitting of water molecules. Water molecules. मैंने भी बताया. Let us suppose water is already present in the leaf. So what is the role of sunlight here? Chlorophyll उसने क्या किया? Sunlight को पूरा gain किया, observe किया. अब sunlight क्या करेगा? Splits of the water molecule. ठीक है? That is the function performed by the sunlight. Sunlight or light splits up water molecule into हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. हमको पता है वाटर दो चीज से मिलकर बना है. वन इज द हाइड्रोजन एंड वन इज ऑक्सीजन. तो दोनों को स्प्लिट करना, तोड़ने का काम, सेपरेट करने का काम कौन करता है? दैट इज द लाइट. लाइट इज स्प्लिट अप द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इनटू हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. Now third step is the reduction of carbon dioxide. We know that only two components are there, two raw materials are there. One is the water, वो यहाँ पर split हो गया. In the second step, its splitting is performed by the sunlight. अब क्या होगा? The second raw material is there, carbon dioxide. What is reduction? Reduction is actually a process of only here is the adding of hydrogen. ठीक है? यहाँ पर जो हो रहा है रिडक्शन, उसको हम सिर्फ डिफाइन कर सकते हैं बाय एडिंग ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. तो क्या हुआ? ये हाइड्रोजन जो यहाँ पर सेपरेट हुआ था, स्प्लिट हुआ था, वो हाइड्रोजन इसके साथ आकर ऐड हो जाएगा. तो दैट इज द थर्ड स्टेप. ओके, दैट इज हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल combine with कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. मैंने आपको अभी कहा व्हाट इज द रिडक्शन? इट इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ एडिंग ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इन एनी कंपाउंड. अगर हाइड्रोजन किसी में ऐड हो रहा है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड द रिडक्शन. तो यह रिडक्शन कैसे हुआ? ये हाइड्रोजन जो है वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में आके कंबाइन हो गया. क्यों कंबाइन हो गया? टू फॉर्म ग्लूकोज. ठीक है, कंबाइन क्यों हुआ? ग्लूकोज बनाने के लिए. तो दिस इज द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. एटमॉस्फेयर में सनलाइट है, सनलाइट पूरा लीफ के ऊपर फॉल हुआ और क्लोरोफिल ने क्या किया? उस लाइट एनर्जी को एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया, ट्रैप कर लिया. वो लाइट जो अंदर आया उसने क्या किया? उसने वाटर मॉलिक्यूल को स्प्लिट कर दिया. स्प्लिट किया तो क्या बना? हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन. एंड फिर उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप में रिडक्शन प्रोसेस हो गया. ये हाइड्रोजन जो था वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के साथ आकर ऐड हो गया टू फॉर्म ग्लूकोज. एंड दिस इज द कंप्लीट प्रोसेस. तो मैकेनिज्म ऑफ photosynthesis completed in the three steps. First is the absorption of energy, that is performed by the chlorophyll. Then splitting of the water molecule, light split of water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen. And third is the reduction of carbon dioxide, the hydrogen molecule added with the carbon dioxide to form glucose. This is the complete mechanism of photosynthesis. Now let's move to last topic of this video, that is the site of photosynthesis. साइट मतलब वो जगह जहां पर फोटोसिंथेसिस हो रहा है. अभी तक इतना तो समझ में आ गया आपको कि द फोटोसिंथेसिस, द साइट फॉर द फोटोसिंथेसिस इज द ग्रीन पिगमेंट. द प्लेस वेयर द ग्रीन पिगमेंट इज प्रेजेंट इज एक्चुअली द साइट ऑफ द फोटोसिंथेसिस. एंड वेयर द ग्रीन पिगमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट, दे आर प्रेजेंट इन द लीव्स. तो लीव्स आर द साइट फॉर द फोटोसिंथेसिस. साइट ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. Site of photosynthesis, simply we call the leaves are the site of photosynthesis. Okay, but it is whole leaf. क्या पूरा leaf उसका site होता है? थोड़ा सा उसमें समझना है. Okay, देखो, let us suppose this is a leaf. एक छोटा सा लीफ मैंने बनाया, दिस इज द लीफ। ओके, मैं इसका एक सेक्शन कट कर रही हूँ। आई एम गोइंग टू कट वन सेक्शन ऑफ द लीफ। अगर हम उसको एक स्लाइड बना के उसका डायग्राम देखेंगे तो शायद वो हमको कुछ ऐसा दिखाई देगा। आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ड्रॉ द कंप्लीट डायग्राम, हमको जितना जरूरी है हम उतना बना लेते हैं टू स्टडी दिस टॉपिक। ओके, नाउ लुक एट हियर, मैंने एक ऐसा सेक्शन कट किया और सेक्शन कट करके मैंने एक सेक्शन आपको दिखा दिया, एक सेक्शन यहाँ पे बना दिया। ओके, एक सेक्शन बन गया। ये जो पार्ट है दैट इज द मिड रिब, यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है ये वाला पार्ट, दिस इज कॉल्ड द मिड रिब। तो मिड रिब वाला पार्ट आपको यहाँ पे क्लियर दिखाई दे रहा है। हम कौन सा पार्ट ले रहे हैं? वी आर टेकिंग दिस पार्ट ऑफ द लीफ। ओके, दिस द सेल व्हिच इज brought here is called, this is called the upper epidermis. This is called upper epidermis. ऊपर है इसलिए upper, so this is called the lower epidermis. नीचे है इसलिए lower. Simple naming is there. Okay, so two dermal layer is present. This dermal layer is protected by a thin layer of cuticle. A thin waxy coating is here. A thin waxy coating is present in both the layers. This thin waxy coating is called cuticle. This is the waxy coating and it is called cuticle. Okay, waxy coating है उसको हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? Cuticle. But where is the place where the photosynthesis is performed? The place where the photosynthesis is performed is this. Actually, a row of columnar cells are present here. Row of columnar cells are present here, like this. Which actually contain chlorophyll. Okay. This row of cells is called mesophyll. It is a layered part. दो तीन लेयर में बने होते हैं and this is called the mesophyll. But in singular manner we call it the palisade cell. Palisade cell. Group of palisade cells are called mesophyll. Okay, so this is actually mesophyll layer and single cell is called the palisade. So what is the site for photosynthesis? The place where the photosynthesis is going on, that is called the leaf. But which part of the leaf? The photosynthesis performed in the palisade cells of mesophyll. ठीक है, अब ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन है, ऑप्शन के हिसाब से आंसर दो. इफ द ऑप्शन इज लीफ इज द करेक्ट वन, बट एक्चुअली द palisade cell of mesophyll is the site for the photosynthesis. अब यहाँ देखो लोअर एपिडर्मिस में I left a place here. Why I left this place here? Because here an important part is present that we are going to study it in the next slide. This part is called the stomata. Stomata. You know the name of this part already. You have studied in the 9th class. So this is the stomata. And around the stomata, some loosely packed cells are present. Like this. These are the group of spongy cells having large number of intercellular spaces. What is this? These are the spongy cells. And it has a large number of intercellular spaces. Okay. हमको photosynthesis करवाना है and the site of photosynthesis is the palisade cell. This is the part of the leaf. Sunlight falls on that. And what happened? The chlorophyll present in the palisade cell, they absorb the sunlight. Okay. Now what is the source for the carbon dioxide? Stomata is actually the source for the carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide reaches to the leaf through stomata. तो यहाँ पे पहले से क्या present है? The substance which is present the carbon dioxide. From where this carbon dioxide entered in the leaf? It is entered through stomata. Next is the water. Second substance is the water. From where the plant get water? Water is given by the xylem. Okay, ये जो midrib वाला part है, this is actually contains vascular bundle. Vascular bundle. And we know that the vascular bundle, xylem is a part of vascular bundle. So vascular bundle through root, xylem collect the water and give it to, provide it to leaves. Now what happened when sunlight falls in that? जैसे sunlight fall होता है, this is converted into two component. दो component में convert हो जाता है. What is this two component? This two component is hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. और ये हाइड्रोजन जो है इससे आके कंबाइन हो जाता है विद कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ दैट क्या रिजल्ट होता है? इट फॉर्म C6H12O6. सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट इज द ऑक्सीजन और ये ऑक्सीजन इसी रास्ते से स्टोमेटा के थ्रू लीफ के बाहर जाता है. तो दिस इज द कंप्लीट मैकेनिज्म ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. मैकेनिज्म ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस conclude three steps. First, absorption of light energy by palisade cell. Second, splitting of water by the light energy into hydrogen and oxygen. And third, hydrogen reduced with carbon dioxide to form glucose and oxygen is liberated out in the process. So this is the complete explanation of the photosynthesis. Now let us concentrate on mind map. What is going on in today's class? Let us revise with the help of mind map. Simple mind map to revise all these portions is here. This is called the mind map. What is going on in the class today? We have studied about the nutrition in plants. Nutrition in plants. The process of nutrition in plant is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. What is the photosynthesis? Is the process by which green plant prepare their food. ये process क्या है? ये process है जिससे green plant अपना food prepare करती है. Photosynthesis is the food preparation process. But it is not so easy process. It needs some substance. What are the substances needed for this? It needs carbon dioxide and water. The substance needed for the process is carbon dioxide and water. Now what is the source of carbon dioxide? It is present in atmosphere and it is provided to plant with the help of stomata. Okay, what is the source of water? It is present in soil and it is provided to leaf with the help of the xylem tissue. The plant get this two thing, but this two thing is sufficient for the process? No, they need sunlight as well as chlorophyll. ठीक है, तो क्या चाहिए? सनलाइट भी चाहिए और क्लोरोफिल. तो सनलाइट कहाँ से मिलेगा? From atmosphere, and chlorophyll it is inbuilt present in the leaf only. And what happened as a result of this? As a result of this, we get glucose and oxygen. Okay, this function of photosynthesis is performed in palisade cell of mesophyll. And where these palisade cells are present? These are present in leaves. Now this is all from today's class. Dear students, if you have any query, go in the comment section and ask question to me. If you want any type of improvement also, you ask question from me. After completing the lessons, I must provide some question for practice also. If you like my video, like it, share it, give the comments for this, and it's important to subscribe because after subscription you are able to get all the information about the uploaded video. Then press bell icon also. This is all for today's class. Bye bye.